Bridges for Peace is back in Zohar. Zohar is a community next to the Gaza border, and on October 7th, around 80 Hamas terrorists on motorcycles tried to come to this community of 600 people, but two men, Chaim, who is the head of security, and his deputy fought off these terrorists and saved their whole community. It's a miraculous story. Now this community, the homes were built in the 1970s. It's very vulnerable to attack because the homes don't have bomb shelters. There's only 8 public bomb shelters, but they're really dilapidated, they're old. Well, now Bridges for Peace and Christians around the world can bring love, support, and hope to this community. So in multiple visits, we started identifying areas of the community that we could work. We have done a planting project and put in benches and putting in trees and painting bomb shelters. But today, I'm privileged to show you one of our first full renovation projects. The building behind me was a bomb shelter. Well, now we've painted it, we're furnishing it, we've made it beautiful inside, but we've also built a pergola and a large deck outside. This building will become a hangout place, a clubhouse. And Bridges for Peace is part of bringing this light into this community. But it's not gonna stop there. We have plans for trauma centers, we have plans for further renovation projects in this community. So Bridges for Peace is impacting the entire community, 600 individuals of Zohar, and bringing the light of God, hope, and love from Christians all around the world. God bless you and shalom.